Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete X likes on mobile. While hiding your Twitter likes tab works when you have the Twitter verification checkmark. Alternatives are useful to unverified users. In this situation, the best practice is always to use the in-app feature. Although this feature is widely inconvenient for bulk operations, it still offers a valid solution. So, here's how to manually remove your likes on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app and log into your account using your details. From the home page, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Then, tap Profile from the menu, and the app will take you to your profile. When this happens, the app will place you on the Post tabs on your profile. Go to Likes on the right side of the screen, and the app will open the Likes tab, listing all the posts you've liked from your account. Scroll down and undo the likes one after the other until you've completed the process. Despite this process being arduous, it offers more flexibility when choosing posts to undo likes on. Also, it works better for people who have only liked a few posts. Since they can quickly scroll through them, they'll be in a better position to remove their likes effectively. And the other option, making likes private on the Twitter or X mobile app. Generally, most people on this social media platform use it from the Android and iOS mobile app. Because of this phenomenon, it is more convenient for users to perform specific actions from the app. Luckily, you can also make your likes private from this medium in 5 quick steps. First, log into your account. From your home page, tap your Twitter profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. The app will bring out the side menu. Now, choose Premium from the list and head to Preferences. Go to Early Access before choosing the Profile Customizations page. There you'll see a toggle button to hide likes. Toggle the button, and the app immediately hides the like tab on your Twitter profile. Again, this feature only works for ActiveX profile subscribers. This means that when your subscription expires, you may be unable to continue the process. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.